Alright guys, and welcome to this video. So over here guys, on this video we are going to be talking about this latest update on Hot. Alright, so we all remember Hot is the airdrop on Telegram, which we have been participating on for more than 1 year now. Alright, so over here guys, they drop a new update right here, and of course they say that we are going to be able to get 1 monad token when we actually complete these few simple steps that I'm going to be showing you how to do in this video. So they actually gave the instruction right here. They say that we should follow the Hot channel and use the browser extension. The browser extension is basically talking about the Hot wallet extension, which we have right here. Okay, this is the Hot wallet extension, and we are required to actually add it among our browser extensions. So right now, the first thing you need to do for you to be able to get this 1 monad is for you to actually set up your extension first. Okay, so to set up your extension, all the link is going to right there on the video description. So once you click on it, you are going to be brought right here, and over here right now you need to add your Hot wallet extension. Then once you have added it, then you need to open it up like this. Then you go ahead and import your wallet from Telegram to this browser extension right here. All right, so the process is very simple, and you simply need to follow the steps that they're going to be giving you right there, and you are going to be able to import it successfully. So that is how it is. And right now, once you have just set up your wallet like this, the next thing is for you to actually claim the 1 monad token. Okay, so to be able to do that, you need to come over here. All right, so like I already said, the link is going to be right there on the video description box. So you click over here on this button right here, you click on 1 month for Hot extension. You go ahead and open up the link. So the link is going to be taking you to the browser. Okay, so over here right now you are going to require to claim this fire drop right now. Okay, so but for some reason some people may not be able to actually access the the website. So what you need to do if you can't access it is to simply use your VPN for this. Okay, so right now guys, you come back right here to this place. This is it, already opened up right here. Okay, so we are going to be claiming 0.9 monad token, which is approximately 1 monad. So what you need to do from here is to simply go ahead and click on claim in extension. You click on this arrow button, so you are going to be taken to another section where you are required to actually claim the 1 monad token actually. So over here right now you are going to be required to subscribe to the Telegram channel for monad. You need to go ahead and subscribe to it. So you click on it right now. You are going to be taken to the monad to the Hot channel, where you need to simply join the channel. And once you are done joining the channel, then you are good to go. Okay, so we are going to be brought back right here. We have already and clearly joined the channel. This is it. So we need to come back right here, then we go ahead and click on claim. Okay, so once you click on claim right now, you can see it is now loading up, and you can see it's counting, and in just a moment we are going to be able to claim our 1 monad token. All right, so monad token is actually the token that we can use to participate on the monad testnet, which in turn is going to be giving us another airdrop. So over here right now you can see over here they are actually asking us to share drop to get 10% for everyone who claim drop by our link. So I will click on copy link with your referral code. So I'll click on it right now. What they are basically saying right there is that you can actually refer people into this, and you are going to be getting 10% of whatever they claim. So over here right now we have successfully claimed the monad token right here. You can see over here, this is it. We have successfully claimed this. So we have a button saying claim now. Let's click on it. Let's see what we have. Okay, so this is it right now. You can decide to withdraw it, I think. Okay, so once you click on withdraw right now, I think you are going to be required to provide your your EVM wallet address, in case that is if you want to transfer it maybe to your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet, whichever wallet that you are using to participate on the monad testnet. All right, so right now guys, this is all you need to know right now, and this is how you are going to be able to get 1 monad token immediately by following these simple steps. All right, so if you encounter any problem, let me have it right there on the comment section, and I'll be there to help you resolve it immediately. Or this is the latest update right now concerning the Hot wallet and the monad testnet. This is how you get your 1 monad testnet token. All right, so this is all I have to share with you guys right now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you on the next video, which is going to be dropping very soon. If you haven't subscribed yet, or this is the first time of you coming across our channel, please kindly do well to subscribe and like this video you just watched right now. Thank you, and stay sharp.